So today I am going to record the solution of the second questions from the blind articles. It has been written by the some of the best programmers who has been working in a fan company. They have instructed few of the questions which is related to crack the any fan interview. It has been strategically written to solve any fan interview questions. So let's see what is the second question. The second question is to solving it's related to the stock price getting maximum profit. So let's see what is saying in a descriptive way. The best time to buy and sell the stock. You are given an array price where price I is the price of the given stock of the ith day. You want to maximize your profit by choosing single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. It means you are buying today and selling another day. So here, if you have a given the array, it means whatever the price has been given at a single first point, you should buy that day, and you have to sell it at a different day. So what is saying that return the maximum profit you can achieve from this transaction. So this question is saying about that it doesn't mean which day you are buying and which day you are selling. You have to get the maximum profit without any time constraint. So you should get maximum profit. If you cannot achieve any profit, return zero. It means there is no any uh, boundary. You should return some profit. You can also get the zero profit as well. So let's see the array of the price list. That is, here is a 7 1 5 3 6 4. So output is getting 5. So here you can see the maximum profit is here 5. So you can see the 7 1 7 1 here we are getting also difference, that is 6. So here we are not getting the maximum profit. It means here is the only possible. You have to buy out first and then you have to sell it. Here is not possible to first to sell out and then you have to buy out. In a share it is also possible. First day you have to sell at certain price and you have to buy out in a future at a lowest price. That would be also possible to get a profit. But here it is only one possible thing. You have to buy at lowest price and sell it at the maximum price. That way you can get the maximum profit. So here the thing has been described there. So let's see this array in a graphical representation, how our share markets went chart up down and how you are getting the profits. So let's go on the digital mode. So here you can see the array. Array has length 2 4 6, means it has 6 length. I means 6 days, 6 days of price list, and we are getting maximum 5 point profit. So let's see how it is we are getting. So make a chart with a let's say it's a stock price, and this is the time. So like see, this is time and this is stock. So let's see. So let's see, today is the first day, second day, third day, fourth day, 5 day, sixth day, seventh day, eighth day, ninth day. So first price, say price 1, price 2, price 3, price 4, price 5, price 6, price 7, price 8, price 9. So first day price is 7 and second day price is 1 and third day price is 5. So where is 5? So let's, third day is here and 5 is the price here, and fourth day price is 3. So let's see here, and fifth day price is 6. So it would be like here, and sixth day price is 4. So it should be here. So let's join how the stock price move on. So like this way. This way you can see the chart in the stock list. So first stock chart will be moved from this direction to this. So how we will get the maximum profit? Maximum profit is to buy out the lowest, then the lowest possible is 1 and sell it at maximum. So first day it is not possible to buy and sell, then it would be the zeroth profit. So it has to be, time has been increasing in only one direction, not backward. So it's only moving only forward direction. So look at after for after second day, uh, which day we are getting the maximum points. So here we are getting at fifth day, maximum point is 6. So here we will get the maximum profit. So like 6 minus 1, that is 5. So this is the way we are getting the maximum profit 5. So how this stock price has been justified uh, the profit 5. So how we can get the profit by this array through the code. So let's uh, so there will be two array, 2 pointers. So like first one is left and then second one is right pointer, and it would be like leftmost is uh, price list, it would be zeroth one, like zeroth, and then the rightmost it would be this, and profit would be 0 for loop for I in range length of price. Okay, if price, like if price I is greater than the prices left, then we have to calculate the profit. It would be possible I minus left and calculate the maximum profit. So whichever the profit of ith count. So let's, if this profit is equal to the max one, so whichever the max, like profit and profit of the ith, if we are getting, then it will be this maximum. Else if left is greater than price ith, then ith definitely it would be the lowest one. So then left would be equal to the this. So this is the lowest one, and return the maximum profit. So let's run. So why not we are giving the only zeroth. Okay, let's test the result. So first of all we have to sign in, then it will be possible. It has been passed all the test cases, so it's a correct, so that's okay.